But I'm so happy that I started with this color because this color is hitting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I am talking about this beauty on my head. If you are looking for that ginger wig that has been trending, this might be the one for you. I'm going to show you guys how I kind of installed this wig. I'm going to talk you a little bit through it, but she's a winner, y'all. She's a winner. Go ahead and add to the cart while I show y'all how I put this wig on. If you're new here, I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I do a lot of hair content. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump. So the wig we are talking about today is from Outre. It's from the Perfect Hairline collection. It is in the style Tayon, and I have the color Deep Auburn. Do you guys see this color? It is a perfect blend of like a ginger with like some dark browns. Like, it has so many dimensions in this wig. It is a 13x6 lace frontal. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. You get to scratch your scalp in that elastic band. So the lace, we all know the lace. You're gonna have to match it depending on your complexion, but I always have to tint my lace with these collections. So I just like to try on the wig and feel her out. She was cute. Many different ways I like to tint my lace. Today I'm using the Red by Kiss products, the lace tinting spray and their lace adhesive. I like those jagged edges scissors to cut my lace. Also, I'll leave all these products linked under Wig Essentials if you need anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig. I like to clear off my forehead and make sure it's clean with rubbing alcohol because I did have makeup on there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that lace melting spray. Now, I do get asked questions. This is not glue, this is just a lace adhesive. It does last really long. Like, this one in particular can last you like 3 to 5 days with just mild touch-ups like on the lace, you know, but it does last a really long time. So I like to make the adhesive tacky, then I'm gonna go and apply that lace right over it. I like to do this process in sections, and then I let the wig dry. So as the wig was like drying, I put that lace melting band over it, let it dry some more for like 20 minutes, and I just like it to dry down really good. Now, sometimes I do go ahead and pluck my wigs. Today I didn't. I'm just gonna do like these swoops to kind of create some like hairline where it's not so straight. And I'm just going ahead and pulling out some of those hairs instead of plucking it. Don't do this. Do it only if you're comfortable. You can't pull holes in your wigs, so you have to be really careful. But luckily I didn't pull any holes. But as you see, it just kind of creates like more of a shape of that hairline instead of that straight across look. And then I'm going to go in with this short flat iron. I like it to create like, you know, some swoops for my edges. I'm going to cut all of this off. I'm just kind of shaping the edges to get more like a wispy effect, but I'm going to show you guys that in a sec. I'm going with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the front to match that lace some more because, you know, it's a little off. Then that lace melting spray. I think I did everything off camera. I can't remember what happened to some footage. I can't remember. But anyway, I do have plenty of videos where I do show like how to do my wispy edges. I'm sorry I didn't show that on camera. I'm just applying final touches, and this wig came out so cute. Alright, my friends, I am finished with this beautiful wig. Oh my goodness, this wig is so cute. I love when a wig makes me feel good. Y'all know when I'm hyped up that the wig is going to be lit. Y'all know when I'm hyped up that it's a good wig. So go ahead and add her to the cart. Add her to the cart. So just a few specs. This wig is from Outre. It's from the Perfect Hairline collection. This is in the style Tayon, and I have the color Deep Auburn. It is 24 inches. Now, I've been holding on to this wig for a while, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I have like 6 different colors in this wig. I bought this wig in so many colors, and initially I wanted to give you guys like a color lookbook, but I haven't had the time, and I just haven't been feeling it to do that. But I'm so happy that I started with this color because this color is hitting. This color is so pretty, y'all. This color has been trending. Now, this does say Deep Auburn, and it's not more so ginger. I really like this color, y'all. Like, it's not too loud, it's not too orangey, it's not too brown. I was kind of scared of this color, and y'all know I'll be trying colors, but if you wanted to experiment with like ginger on a complexion that looks like mine, this might be the color for you. I think this is absolutely the color for you. She is so pretty. I don't even feel like she needs a dark root. She's a winner, y'all. I think she's gonna hit on every single complexion. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And this is the color on the stock card, okay? So Outre did a good one with this one. They do have other pretty colors in here. I'm not too sure if the colors that I did purchase, I'm gonna just sell it on my Mercari, or I'm gonna review them. But ash brown melt, there's a hazelnut brown in here that kind of looks similar to this with a dark root, but it's kind of similar, but it's not. There's some blondes in here. You guys know how Outre does. They give us the colors, okay? Oh, she's so cute. So I did switch up some things. As you see, I switched up my shirt a little bit. I had a V-neck shirt initially, but I had to put this one on, and I switched up my lippy, and she's coming together really nicely. So this is a synthetic wig. If you're not familiar with this Outre Perfect Hairline collection, I love this collection, y'all. It is a 13 by 6 lace frontal, meaning you're gonna get 13 inches of lace going all the way down, 6 inches going all the way across. You can part this wig, probably stopping 6 inches right here. So you can part it in the middle, you can part it in the side, but I just kind of went with like a classic kind of like flip over, you know, thing here. And she, oh, she's so cute. So I just went with a flip over. I love the lace on this. It is melted to perfection, okay? I did not do any customizations on this wig. I didn't pluck this wig at all, y'all. I feel like you could pluck it just a tad. I did pull out some on the side, and then I went in with kind of this wispy baby hair thing here that I got going on, and I like that effect. I feel it looks real natural and realistic. Not a lot with this wig. A little bit of lace tint and a little bit of lace melting spray. Now, I do have a secret for y'all. I did sleep in this wig, okay? I started filming this wig yesterday, and I had to wake up and take a shower and freshen up my makeup and come back. That's why the lippy's different and all that stuff. I was tired, y'all. It was a lot going on yesterday, so I was like, I am not doing it. And sometimes it's okay. It's okay to take breaks. And that's what I did. And I came back, and I'm kind of happy that I came back to it today because I feel like I appreciate her more. Now, sleeping in this wig, I did put a bonnet on. I do feel like this wig, the texture of this wig is definitely more on the yucky side. It's thicker. You're going to have to go in with your products with this wig. Maybe a little synthetic wig spray, your silicone spray. I did also go in with a little bit of heat kind of in the top, but not too much. And I also feel like when the ends of this wig start to get like a little tangled, because it will happen, y'all, it's synthetic, you can use a little bit of heat to comb it through, but not comb it through all the way because you don't want to lose the texture. And that's going to help with some of the frayed ends of this wig if it's getting too snaggy. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Like, this wig is so cute. I love the layers in here. I love the little bit of bounce curl in here. It did come with these little curlers, you know, for these little curls right here. So y'all know when we get these little rollers, it's gonna be nice. So I like the body in this wig. I love everything on this wig. Let me show y'all what she's looking like. This is what the wig is looking like as far as the length goes. Ends are getting a little frayed, so you do have to go in and just a little bit of heat, a little bit of heat. I have this on like 10, my hot comb, and it does help. But you don't want to comb it all the way through because you don't want to straighten the wig. You're just trying to relax it a little bit. And then in the back, Alright, so I like this wig. I really like this wig. It didn't take much at all. You guys know what you're paying for. The texture on the stock card is exactly how this wig looks to me. I absolutely recommend her. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. As you know, I'm going to leave links of all my stuff. My look came together really nice. And I'm actually happy with the way everything turned out, y'all. My eyes. If you're following me on TikTok, I did a video with my friend and she was like gushing over my makeup. But the eyes, like this gold, it's this Amazon eyeshadow palette. I told y'all about this palette. I'll leave a link down below, but this palette is under $10. And in my lip, because you guys are going to ask me and I'm going to forget, I combined from the lip bar, I used Rich Auntie mixed with a little bit of It Girl, but I put a little bit of pink in the middle and Rich Auntie on the outside. I'll leave a link of lashes, the nails, because the nails came together, the rings, the you know, all the stuff, I'm gonna leave a link under Shop My Look so I don't forget. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I think she's absolutely worth it. I think she's a good like all around style. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.